The Legal Resources Centre in Makhanda in the Eastern Cape has obtained a court order against the Makana Municipality. That order compels the municipality to address long-standing sanitation problems that are facing residents. The municipality is also required to submit a report within 30 days setting out all active sewage spills in Makhanda, together with a budget and how it plans to resolve the problem. Let's talk more about this then. I'm joined via Skype by Cecile Van Schalwyk. She is an attorney with the Legal Resources Centre in Makhanda. Cecile, a very good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for your time. So I'm looking here at this 15 days that the municipality has to resolve the sewage spills issue specifically. When do you expect to see the first movements in that direction?
We only obtained the judgment yesterday, and the judgment was by agreement between us and the municipality. So the expectation is that obviously within the next 15 days, they have to start complying with the order in some way. We have informed all of our clients, and they are monitoring the position on ground level to make sure that, you know, the municipality, once they do arrive, we are informed and we can see some movement in what's going on. But I think the main thing to understand is that the municipality now knows about the order. They know that there is this obligation on them, and we expect them to, within the next 15 days, start moving and resolving the sewage issues of the 10 applicants in this matter.
And in 30 days, then, they have to submit an overall plan on the number of active sewage problems in the municipality. They also then have to detail a budget on how they're going to address the problem. If that is not done within 30 days, because this issue has taken so long to resolve in the first place, what happens then?
If they do not comply with the order, of course, they'll be in contempt of the court order, which initiates, contempt proceedings in the court. I mean, it's a criminal offence to not comply with an order of a high court or any court in this country. So if they do not comply with the order, as it was granted yesterday, contempt proceedings will have to be instituted against the municipal officials responsible for failing to abide by the court order.
And Cecile, it was in June, in fact, June last year, when the Water Minister, Lindiwe Sisulu, issued a statement saying she would intervene in the water and sanitation issues in the municipality. How have things changed a year on, or almost a year on?
I think that it would be interesting to see intervention specifically with regard to sanitation. This case didn't fall out of the sky yesterday. We've been working on it for over a year. Our clients, as you could have seen from the court papers, they have been struggling with this issue, some of them for over 10 years. It's well documented, the issues around sanitation and the problems in Makhanda. And, we instituted these proceedings in November of last year, and the situation of our clients have remained exactly the same to date. I hear what you're saying, but on ground level, there's really been very little change, if any, and I think that it has actually deteriorated for many residents. With
that in mind then, Cecile, just a quick final one. What awaits the children who are expected to go back to school come Monday?
I think that, the issue of sanitation and specifically the COVID-19 pandemic are so interrelated with each other, because people are expected to keep proper levels of sanitation in circumstances where they often don't have running water, or they have sewage literally running through their streets. The application was brought because it did affect schools. There were sewage spills near schools. There were sewage spills on school properties. And we would hope that this intervention would allow those spills to be cleaned up, make sure that children are safe from sewage, and make sure that they're able to properly sanitize with a view to try and protect themselves from COVID-19.
Cecile Van Schalwyk, thank you so much for speaking to us. She is an attorney with the Legal Resources Centre in the Eastern Cape.